Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a GitHub action to a known good version. And this is super important because it prevents malicious updates from compromising your application. So let's jump in. Okay, so here's a GitHub action I built for running baseline dynamic scans with Zap. And this is where it defines which version I'm using. So what I want to do is upgrade this to the latest version, and I want to pin it to the hash of that version so that if that version is ever compromised, it can't compromise my application. First, I'm going to go to the GitHub Marketplace, and I'm going to search for the Zap baseline scan action. Click on that to open it. Next, I'm going to view the source code. Now, whenever you use a new GitHub action, make sure to review the code. You want to verify that it's safe to use. Do your own code review or scan. Next, we're going to click on tags. These are your version strings. So I'm going to click on the version I want. In this case, it's the latest. And what I want you to notice is that it's actually linked to a commit right here. We're going to check that out in just a minute. First, let's compare the versions. So I'll click the compare button. I'll choose the version I want to compare it with, and I can scan and see what's changed. So this is helpful if you've already reviewed a previous version and you just want to make sure that the changes in this new version are safe. So I can scroll through these changes, and in this case, they're simply updating a dependency version. So here we see the upload artifact is deprecated and they need to change that. So once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the back button. And now I'm going to click on that commit. Over on the right, you'll see the icon to copy the full SHA hash for that commit. Go ahead and click that. Now go back to your GitHub action. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete the version string and I'm going to replace it with my SHA hash. Now go ahead and commit that change. Here I'll explain what I did and go ahead and propose a change. And of course now I have to create a pull request and review that and do all of those things, but that's it. If someone compromises that account and remaps the version to a new commit, you'll be safe. Pinning to the hash of the commit means you'll always be running the version you trust. All right, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, please let me know.